Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. I'm probably going to make this a little Vlogmas video. So if you guys remember a while back when I did a ColourPop haul that also included a giveaway of a single eyeshadow and a highlighter, and the winner of my giveaway, her name was Amanda. I DM'd her on Instagram. You can hear my brother yelling at his video games, sorry.
He's gaming.
Yeah, he's a really obnoxious gamer, as I'm sure most boys are. But she was my giveaway winner, and she was kind enough to send us a card in the mail, but unfortunately the card got lost in the mail and we never received it. And she decided, well, since I didn't get the card, I'm going to send them a package. And she actually sent us a package, and we're going to be opening it today for this video. So, yeah, but thank you in advance, Amanda.
Yes, thank you, we appreciate it.
I was so excited. I was like, as soon as she told me that she sent a package, or as soon as she told me she sent a card, I was like, Mom, guess what? My giveaway winner, her name's Amanda, and she sent me a card. And because she was like, I want to send you a thank you card. I'm like, no, you don't have to. And she was like, no, I want to. And it was just the sweetest thing. So.
What does it say? Breakable?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, so there are some cards in here. So this is for Hot Miss Mama.
And it's pink!
And this is for me, and mine's blue. And then hers says thank you again.
I
Oh my
love
gosh,
it.
she's so sweet. This just, oh my goodness. A little note. Oh my god!
Oh,
You did not have to do this! Oh my gosh, Amanda! Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Oh.
Oh, man. Hashtag emotional.
Goodness. I'm gonna cry.
I know.
You are the sweetest. And she said, I think this is, she said this is breakable. This is for you.
Yeah, she said it's a mug.
Aww.
Aww.
So excited. We're gonna, I have to do a
That's
Taco Bell
really
milk bun
sweet.
now.
Crap. I know. My eyes are tearing up.
Okay.
Gosh darn it, Amanda. That was so, like, sweet and heartfelt. Wow. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, it's... Oh my yes.
What does it say?
Coffee owes me. Owns me, and I'm okay with that.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh, that's the story of my
Aw.
life, and it's huge.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Mom does this thing
It's
where
like almost as big as my head.
she does this thing where she gets coffee and then she leaves it, and then she'll go around about her day and she'll just leave this coffee to get cold on the counter, and then she comes back and drinks it later. You do.
This is awesome. Thank you so
There's another
much.
thing in here, Mom.
Oh really?
Yeah. Oh wait, I think. Oh my gosh, there's more.
Trying to put it
Oh.
together. Oh my gosh, how adorable is
Little
that?
chocolate snowman. I got
Oh my
tissue paper everywhere. I'm sorry
gosh.
about that.
You're so
These are so
sweet.
cute. Wait, oh, it's me and Bo. So cute. Oh,
That is so precious.
I love that.
Those would be so excited.
Okay, do you want to open this one?
I don't know. It's probably for you.
Let's both open it
Okay.
together. Teamwork.
Yeah, that's so cute. That's for you.
Always believe in your dreams.
Oh, I love it.
That's so cute. It's like a little notebook. Ooh, wow, I like this floral. That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Amanda. I'm glad we did this in a video so we can do a video.
You got our
and-
real.
Yeah, you got our actual reaction.
Trying to keep it together.
Yeah, and not cry. That's the sweetest ever.
Oh, I'm totally gonna drink out of this tomorrow. Oh, thank God, it's microwave and dishwasher safe.
Oh, Mom has one mug that has
Hashtag lazy.
gold writing on it, and she can't put it in the microwave. It makes the microwave spark.
Yeah. And I have to hand wash some of them, which drives me nuts, so I won't even use them. So thank you so much. I'm a lazy washer.
Gosh. I'm gonna DM her on Instagram now.
Yes.
I was going to DM her first, but then I got too excited, and then I was like, Mom, let's sit down and film it. So I'm going to DM you back on Instagram now and say thank you. I'm so grateful for you. And yeah.
I feel like you should position you more into this. There we go.
And then now, if you guys stay tuned for this long, there's another giveaway coming up, and I'm going to move up to my room. It's the one things, you know what it is. You guys don't know what it is yet. But there's another giveaway, and I thought that this would be like a good beginning to tell Amanda thank you for sending us all these gifts. And you didn't have to do that, and we are so thankful and grateful for you.
Yes,
so now
thank you.
we're going to, well, I'm going to, Mom's not.
Yeah, I'm tired. I was actually laying on the couch because I've been working all day, and I'm exhausted. So.
Yeah. And
But thank you, because I really appreciate this, and this, like, you know, pepped me, perked me up, and then freaking made me emotional. But that's okay. I appreciate it.
And now I'm going to insert, what?
I'm going to put my card back here so it can be on display so Amanda can see it on my next video. Yay.
I'm going to go insert the giveaway clip here now. Bye. Hello, people of the internet. I'm going to actually turn this way. So, I was about to edit this Vlogmas video, and I realized I didn't do the second clip, and I just woke up. So, I was like, girl, you need to do the giveaway clip, obviously, because it's important. So, for this giveaway, I have 2 items. I have this Too Faced puppy, or Pretty Puppy palette, and it has 6 colors in it. And then I also have one of these Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and this says it's gingerbread scented, and it's in the color Gingerbread Girl. And I have them, hold on, I'm switching hands. And I'm going to be giving both of them away. One second, I forgot to check which date I'm going to be ending the giveaway on, so let me go check that and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so today is Vlogmas Day 8, so I think I'm going to be ending this giveaway on Vlogmas Day 18, so that will give you guys 10 days to enter. So we have 2 prizes, the Too Faced Pretty Puppy palette and the Gingerbread Girl liquid lipstick, and there will be 2 winners. So what you need to do to enter is go down to the comment section down below. Well, first make sure you're subscribed to my channel, then go to the comment section down below, then leave a comment with either your Instagram or Twitter handle, username, or an email, just no phone numbers, and then I will be going on the 18th and I'll be selecting 2 winners, but one thing that you do have to make sure you are doing, because I will be messaging you on the social media platform, make sure that you are following either my Instagram or Twitter if you do leave Instagram or Twitter, so that way you can get the message sent and it won't be like pending, because sometimes you don't get notifications for pending messages in like instant message and DMs. So be sure that if you leave your Twitter @handle, then you follow me on Twitter, and then if you leave your Instagram @handle, then follow me on Instagram. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Good luck to you in the giveaway. Bye!